Hi everyone, welcome back to the next diecast. In today's video, I'll be unboxing this 1/18 scale 2021 Ford Bronco Badlands made by Maisto. Got this model from Sam's Club for $15, which I believe is a really good deal. As you can see, it's in the blue box that Sam's Club sells these models in. I went with the orange version because I thought it looked really good with the silver wheels and everything. So we'll go ahead and get it out of the box. I got the model pulled out, and it's actually held on with 2 screws, which is pretty standard for these models. So we'll go ahead and unscrew the model from its cardboard base next. Just gotta turn it over, and then there's the screws right there. Alright, done with the screws. I'm just going to get these two kind of clear bands off the hood and the rear door. And this model has the opening rear door and the opening hood. Overall, the model looks really cool, and I'm looking forward to doing a review on it. Thanks for watching.